On a small island less than 100 miles off China, a factory floor is so precise a speck of dust can destroy a $100,000 chip. It powers nearly every smartphone, car, and fighter jet on Earth. If this company stopped shipping for a year, it would erase $500 billion from the economy. That company is TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. It manufactures chips designed by others, Apple, NVIDIA, Qualcomm, for over 500 customers. For the most advanced chips, under 7 nanometers, some estimates put TSMC's share as high as 90%. For those chips, there is one company on Earth capable of making them. To carve circuits smaller than 7 nanometers, manufacturers use extreme ultraviolet light, a wavelength of just 13.5 nanometers. Generating it means vaporizing droplets of molten tin with a laser. Only one company builds these machines, ASML. Each system costs over $150 million and weighs as much as a Boeing 747. In 2019, under U.S. pressure, the Dutch government blocked ASML from selling its most advanced EUV machines to China. In October 2022, Washington restricted a broad range of chip-making equipment sales. By 2023, the Netherlands extended those restrictions to ASML's older DUV machines too. It's an attempt to freeze China's semiconductor roadmap. Cut off from EUV, China's national champion, SMIC, pushed older deep ultraviolet machines past their limits with multi-patterning, layering exposures to approximate what EUV does in one pass. In 2023, SMIC used this to produce a 7-nanometer chip for Huawei's Mate 60. But multi-patterning is slower, pricier, and yields fewer usable chips, which brings us back to that humid island and its clean rooms. This isn't a story about phones. It's about one choke point so hard to replicate, both superpowers have an incentive never to let a war reach it. Some call that Taiwan's silicon shield. And whoever controls it shapes who holds the edge for the next 50 years.